and like watch it go. This is what it's like. It's literally like a car wash for your smile. Isn't that fun? You can aim this right at the gum line and just rinse. You're going to close your mouth while you do this, but while you close, you're just going to go around the edges of the teeth to rinse out all the hidden bacteria that is underneath the gums. Underneath the gums. This won't take very long, and this will save you in dental bills, guys. So I don't care how you floss, but you're going to have to do one of those. Either pick up the flosser, pick up one of these, or use the water flosser. So that's step 2 in the 7-day Healthy Smile Workout Challenge. You're going to get videos on all this stuff when you join VIPsmiles.com/challenge. All right, so we talked about brushing. If you're using a manual toothbrush, make sure the bristles are soft only. Do not use hard. Do not use medium. Soft only, but I highly recommend electric toothbrushing. So we got brushing, we got flossing. Next is rinsing. All right, rinsing your mouth is super important, guys, because when you're just brushing your teeth and flossing, you're literally only reaching a portion of your mouth. You're not getting a full mouth clean. And it's great. We want you to brush and floss to get those areas above the gums and below the gum line. But what about the rest of the mouth? You have to get a full mouth clean. So what I recommend, guys, here on the Let's Talk Smiles podcast, I want to coach you to get an antiseptic mouthwash. Let me see, right there. Listerine Cool Mouth, it says it right there, antiseptic mouthwash. Antiseptic means it is going to kill the germs. It's going to wipe out the bacteria, guys, and that's what we want. But where is it going to wipe out the bacteria? It's going to get underneath the lips, in the cheek areas, on the tongue, the back of the throat. You literally want to do 10 seconds here, 10 seconds here, and then get all the way back there. Get back there, okay? I am a fool. All right, so you want to do that for 30 seconds every single day. Brush for 2 minutes, floss for another minute, and then finally brush, floss, rinse your mouth, and clean your tongue.